Welcome. This is a premium version custom designed for vendors like you and I. Follow my cursor, as I will be giving you a quick tutorial on all of the features offered. Located on the top left side, we can place your logo here, or overlay your logo here in front of this sliding image. Here guests can use this menu to quickly navigate around your website. We'll go over some of those areas shortly. This area displays a large picture or video slideshow of your product. What a way to entice your guests with some good images of what you offer. Guests can click on any of these boxes to translate your website from English to Spanish, and vice versa. Vendors asked, and we provided. This is a cool feature that allows your guest to view where you are currently vending in StreetWalk View. From within your admin login panel, you can easily showcase where you are today, and can be used as a landmark for those trying to visit you. Let's maximize this view and look at it closely. Guests can use their keyboard's mouse to virtually navigate down the street. Another cool feature is when used on your mobile phone, you can instantly add that location to your phone's GPS. To the right, we call these sticky menus. As you scroll down the page, it will follow you. Here, we will connect your existing Facebook or Instagram account. This is also where guests can check out the food items that are in their cart. Here's one of the bread and butters to what we offer. We have incorporated a full e-commerce platform that will allow your guests full access to your menu to order online. This platform will allow you to enable delivery features or set it up for pickup only. Amongst some of the features are ability to use any major credit card to pay, enable or disable delivery or pickup only features, offer coupon discounts with the built-in generator, customize the items that are shown, add condiments and sub-menus, easy checkout, with notification of new orders sent to both you and your customer. There are so many options to choose from, and you will have access to them all. Why bother with having to upload pictures of each event to your website that you have taken on your phone? We will connect a plugin that will connect your website to your Facebook or Instagram album gallery. Once you upload an image to that gallery, it will instantly upload to your website. Here's how. We'll help you to create an album called Website, for example, on your Facebook or Instagram platform. When you are at your event and you take a picture from your phone, save it to that gallery and it will instantly appear on your website. Vendors asked about offering catering, and how expensive third-party apps were. We listened and incorporated a section exclusively for that. I'll go over that page shortly. Here's a small introduction section about your company, and the ability for guests to subscribe to your platform. Awesome way to gather emails, and to send warm marketing or coupons to them. Do you have an upcoming event? We incorporated an event calendar that your guests can use. Let's take a look at this first Friday recurring event that I set up for this demo. This is a full view look that showcases the following: event title, date, time, location, event details, event flyer or image. Guests can upload to their Google Calendar, iCal Calendar, or Outlook Calendar. And the date countdown clock. Let's add some credit. Here you can upload pictures of your team. Your footer page will show your contact us information, ability to fill out your inquiry form, and we added a frequently asked questions section. Want to allow guests to chat with you instantly? Enable this chat live feature. If enabled, guests can type their message, and you can respond to them in real time from your mobile phone or computer. Disable this feature, and it will email you instead. Click on this arrow button to return to top of page, and click on any of the menu buttons, and it will quickly navigate your guests up or down to that section of the page. Now for another grand feature. The catering page. Here you add information about event services. Slideshow dishes with the ability to open up in full view. And allow your guests to download the menu by PDF. This is a catering smart form. It's smart because depending on how you answer the questions, it will provide your guests with more choices or options. This form was created with you in mind. It gathers the right information needed to book any catering jobs. It can even take payments. Let's quickly fill out a few entries. By clicking here, your guest can also log in and review an existing order, or reorder a food item. This concludes this tutorial. If you are interested in making the purchase, close this window and choose a package. You can click on any of the descriptions to read more about what is offered in that package. If you still have questions, you will find a contact form on the trailandcarts.com website. We will respond within 24 to 48 business hours. Happy vending!